One more day in Jamaica. Not gonna lie, I'm gonna miss all of this. That's why I get up early and walk from Esha to Bull Bay to just sit down and all our vibes and meditate and watch the sea. Yeah. Look at the beauty of Jamaica. I won't see the scenery no more. Not no more, but for a period of time. So that's why I'm just sit down here. I try bonus place, but the morning breeze is strong. Jamaica, I'm gonna miss you. Real talk, in a real life. After 11 years coming back to Jamaica, I spent 21 days. I was under 14 days quarantine, and I have one more day in Jamaica. I've just come out early morning and enjoy this. I have to. I miss all of this. You know, sometimes I wish I could have wake up and come out and just have some time for myself and just watch the ocean and feel the breeze and watch the tree blow and all of that. The birds and everything. Just love it. I'm born at one split. If you don't find me down by the river, you'll be finding me by the seashore, by the ocean, feeling the ocean breeze. And I say, I'll be down by the seaside, waiting for the good Lord to pass my way. Oh no. Yes, I did enjoy my time in Jamaica. I wasn't no tourist. I feel so at home. I'm gonna miss all this. I really do. I wish I could wake up a morning time and just take a walk and come sit down and burn a spliff and, you know, enjoy some of the nice morning sea breeze. Even though the breeze a blow, I can't even light my spliff, but I like it. Not lie. I feel like I want to sleep, you know. I walk about a mile and a half, close to 2 miles, and find a little spot here so and come here so I try bonus split. You know, like get a little vibes. The wind start blowing it out, I can't light it and all of these things. You know, when we get to light it, yeah. All a nice little vibes. I'm there so breeze that blows so good. The view is spectacular. And right now I feel like I want to sleep. Right now, I feel like I want to sleep. Choo-choo. Feel like I want to sleep. I have to go walk all the way back home. Left the kids them asleep. Nobody know where I'm at. Bag are well stuck up. A bag well stuck. Watch it. Weed pound weed. 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 What me I gonna do with all of this? Me have one more day. You going fishing? You gonna fishing? Where you going? Yeah, more fishing. You have a rod? And you have bait? So where you get up and go so early? Where you going so early? I mean, never Mr. Shop on these, Mr. Shop on this. listen. Yeah. Nice houses, them man. Taxi man, yeah, them drive crazy. Sometimes they come like they want to blow you off of the streets. Yeah. You hear them? And the taxi, they want them man. Nice view. So nice. Like, seriously. It is nice. Look at the sea over there, sir. Here, yeah. Everybody want to... You think it was a taxi? That truck, man. They must have said, I wish foreigner that because me a walk and take picture and video. So they must have said, wish foreigner that. Praise for this. Yo, far me I forgot back, you know. Yo, walking, coming this way. I never know which part me I go. It never feels so long, but now that me I walk to go back home, nice houses up on the hill, the yellow one there too. Yeah. Now that me I walk to go home, all the moon in the sky. See it at 8 o'clock. Let me see if I can find it. Let me see if I can find it. Can't. Whew. Sun about me. Good morning. Them vehicle they enough down here. Vehicle them. Sun shining. It's just a couple minutes after 8 o'clock. And the sun turn up already. Same thing me I say, oh me would I wear makeup. Like what reason that give me to wear morning? The candy look nice. I wish I could have these. No, to me I have braces, I can't eat it, yeah. But it look man look like him have a nice sweet piece of candy in them and if I have my braces in, I would have surely eat these. Got a long walk to go. My chest hurt me. My chest is hurting me. I passed the ocean view and now I'm looking at the hills. Yeah, and the nice house up there, so feels so good. I like it. It's just me. Where should I walk? On the old road? I walk on the side. Want some water to drink. Because we walk them all the way. All the way. Nobody don't know which part me there. Everybody's still asleep. For this nice little spot if you have a restaurant or a little club, you know. I have like 10 more minutes of walking. Yeah, and I'm tired. The sun is hot. My chest hurt me because I feel like I need some water to drink. Also maybe because I didn't drink no tea and yeah, but smoke. So yeah, the sun helps. Breeze are blowing nice between my legs because me now wear no underwear. Me now wear no underwear. Yeah, I'm sweating. If you're feeling my back, I'm sweating. Yeah, me I sweat out hell. I'm almost there. house are for sale. It's nice. For sale. Up there so. Nice land space. Look real nice. I wonder if the house are sell with the land. If we did have money, we would have buy this because it's a nice little spot. Coconut and banana tree and all of them something there. Dead job. Ooh, I want crab. Welcome to Esha. Esha. I'm right here. Listen, what is that? Passing? Passing? No. I get that a lot. Thank you. Yes, you did. Thank you. You too. The Jamaica man bought them sweets. Here, them out sweet. And them look smarty. Now when they get you now, you know. They not tell you all of them sweet talking, then you have more.